Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring and heating. This is where accuracy matters. Use white granulated sugar only because other sweeteners can harm birds. Combine 1 cup sugar with 4 cups water to achieve a 1:4 ratio. That ratio mimics natural nectar. Bring the water to a gentle boil, stir until all sugar dissolves, then remove from heat. Once done, let it cool to room temperature so you do not scald hummingbirds when filling the feeder. Now you mix, cool, and prepare the feeder. After dissolving, check the solution. It should be clear and free of grainy sugar pieces because crystals can clog feeders. If you see impurities, strain through a clean, fine sieve. Allow the nectar to reach room temperature. Never fill hot liquid into a plastic feeder. Once cool, pour carefully, seal the feeder, and hang it in a shady, visible location so hummingbirds find it without overheating the nectar. Finish by maintaining and knowing what to do if problems arise. Change the solution every 3 to 4 days in hot weather and within a week in cooler conditions to prevent fermentation and mold. Clean the feeder between refills with hot water. Avoid soap because residues can repel birds. If the nectar turns cloudy or smells off, discard it immediately and make a fresh batch using the same 1:4 ratio. This quick action protects hummingbirds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.